the Craftsman R110 mower with a 30-inch deck. Brand new, purchased from Lowe's for $11.99 plus tax. This is the key that it comes with. It's got a fuel level, you can see here, the gear shifter, got a choke. You've got your mower height level there, 1 through 5, your mower engage. Here you have your speed selector, 1 through 6, with your parking brake. You have a nice cup holder. This mower allows you to mow in reverse. However, you must turn the key to the yellow after it's running. Press this little triangle. This light will light up. Then you can put it in reverse and go backwards. And it does say, it recommends that after you go back forward to turn the key back to the green position. However, that can be quite annoying. If you come right under here and disconnect this pink wire, which can also be seen by looking through the shifter hole, you can leave the mower engaged while you reverse, and you don't have to go through that silly procedure. It's small enough for man gates. It mows it quite nicely with the 18-inch turning radius. I'm able to get anywhere I need to go in the backyard. Don't even have to break out the push mower. The engine supplied is the Briggs & Stratton model 210,000. As you can see here, mine engine model is the 21 R7070145G1. The mower comes by default with this mulching attachment that has 2 quick disconnects on there and allows you to put this side discharge on if you choose. Now you undo these 2 and this comes right off. You can swap it out between the 2. Please note, there is a safety switch here. If you have the side exit on here and you hit something, it is possible it could pop it up, and if your mower won't start after you hit something, check this switch, make sure it's plugged in. It comes with 16 by 6.50-8 tires on the rear, and then on the front you have 13 by 5 by 6. What do I think about the Craftsman R110 mower? I think it's a great value for the buy. You could easily afford it with the Lowe's credit. I know this is not sponsored by Lowe's or Craftsman. I just really like the mower. Since it only has a 30-inch deck, you can fit in the backyard, which was my biggest concern. My other concern was, will it turn around all the obstacles in the backyard, which it does. It does it very well. I think it's an overall well-made machine. It turned my hour-and-a-half push mower time into under 30 minutes, and you can't beat that. So if you can afford it, go for it. I approve.